why now is the best time ever to work on fixing your credit. How you doing, everybody? I am Scott Jelinek, and I just wanted to do a quick video for you. This is something new that I just tested, and I was shocked with how well it worked. Before I get into it, I want to tell you that if you have not already, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Click the like button. It really helps me to get this information out to more people. So I appreciate you doing that right now. Just click the subscribe button, click the like button, comment down below. I will respond to anybody's comments personally. Comment on it, and I will respond to it. So anyway, I want to tell you about how to fix your credit or get your credit right now, and why it's the best time ever to get it done. For those of you who know me, know that I got busted up in 2008, as good as the best of them could have gotten busted up, and my credit has been shot. I have been dead to banks since 2008, and I know it's 12 years now, and so it's past the time. Stuff should stay on, but you know it was a trickling process. I haven't even looked. I've been using nothing but private lenders since then. And so the way I looked at it is, hey, I go in to buy a car, I write a check for it. I haven't messed with credit at all since 2008. So someone just recently told me about this, and so I tried it, and that's why I'm sharing it with you, because it worked. Since this has been going on, this coronavirus stuff has been going on, and this has been obviously a international circumstance that we're all dealing with right now. The way the law is written for credit repair, and there's a lot of people in the credit repair business. I was in it myself, and I hate to say it, it was 30 years ago. That's how old I am. Hard to believe it was 30 years ago. Well, anyway, the way the law works with the Fair Credit Reporting Act is they have 30 days from the time someone challenges or disputes something on their credit report. They have 30 days to prove it, or it gets deleted from your credit report. Well, the law is the law, and that hasn't changed. Because of what's going on in the world right now, mostly everything is shut down. Things that are not shut down are stacked up, backed up, or working at half capacity because people are out of work, or they're working from home, or whatever the circumstances may be. So they're not able to process these claims. And so what that means is if you have something on your credit report that you need to get off, or you have an incident that happened or something, as long as, let me preface this by saying, as long as it's not currently going on, meaning if you have a credit card and you're behind 3 months, or a mortgage and you're behind 3 months, and you're still behind, it's not going to do anything for you, because even if it gets off, it's going to be on again next month. So it's not going to accomplish anything. But if you have something old, you had a car got repoed, or you have a judgment or a foreclosure, or something that's old, medical bills in collection, whatever it may be, if you dispute it now, if you send in the letter, you got to send it into all 3 credit bureaus. If you send in the letter disputing it or challenging something on your report, they have 30 days to take care of it, or it comes off your report. Right now is an ideal time to do it because everybody's working at half capacity. I just started this, mind you, because this is all still new. I'm doing this video the day after Easter. So what are we, April 13th? So I started it in early March when I was first told about it, and my credit report is already up 70 points. I just checked this morning on Credit Karma, and it's already up 70 points from what it was, and stuff's being removed. So another little tip, now that I mentioned Credit Karma, you can use Credit Karma. You can do it without any app at all. You can literally straight write letters to the credit bureaus. But if you use an app like Credit Karma, and there's 100 different versions of it, you don't even have to write a letter. They have a button right on it that you just click to dispute it. And the only challenge with Credit Karma is they'll only do one thing at a time. But you can go to any of these apps. They'll dispute it for you. With all you do is just click a button, and then you got to wait out the time, and it will be removed from your credit report. Your credit score will go up. This might not seem that important to you, except we are going to be moving into a more financially challenged time right now, and banks are going to be tighter on lending. And again, I haven't used banks since 2008, but credit rates are so low right now that if in fact you're able to, it's a great time to get qualified, get refis done, or we're going to go into a great real estate investor market coming up soon, and so you want to be prepared. And so if your credit is not perfect, if it's marginable, take the time now. Either do it through these apps or just write these letters to the credit bureau, get it taken care of, and thank me later. Thank you guys for watching this video. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Again, if you don't mind, just go ahead and subscribe. Hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, comment down below. I will answer any comments that I get, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the next video. Have a fantastic day.